Hey there! So I was sent this adorable gift box to unbox and show you. So let's look at everything that is inside. First, it comes in this very, very cute pink box that is nice and sturdy, and I can already smell all the goodies in there. So let's open it up and I'm going to show you just how it looks so you can send this directly to somebody and see exactly what they have. And there's a little card that's going to fall out if I just do it like that. You can see a very, very cute little angel there, and you can open it up. And if you were to send this to somebody, get it first and send it, you could write a note, or it has that cute little note on it already. So you could send this directly to somebody, which is kind of what I like to do with gift boxes like this. I think that's one of the handy things about ordering them and having them shipped. So you can see that looks really nice right off the bat and has so much stuff in here. So I'm going to try to quickly show you everything. So it has this like satiny sleep mask. You can see it has an elastic backing to it to kind of stretch. And then you have this cute little fuzzy right here, and it says just for you, and I'll open that and actually show it to you. I'm going to set this down and just show you everything in here. So you have these they're stretchy, cozy socks. They have this cute little heart detailing, and these are very, very soft and cozy. Then you have one of my favorite things in here, this very, very cute cup. And this can be used for wine and all sorts of stuff, and I'm going to show you the inside has that lining, and it has the kind of flip lid right there, as well as a metal straw and no thing to clean it with. So it's actually everything you need. That would definitely cheer somebody up. Super cute. And then you have also this keychain in there that everything is really nicely, I should say, really nicely packed separately. So should be all good to go. So you have this little keychain that says she believed she could, so she did. Very cute. That's a good size. You can see right there with a little gem on it as well, and that's a little heart shape. And then you have what we are mostly smelling in there, which are the bath bombs that everybody loves to get. There's a little purple and pink one, and they have just a really nice kind of floral perfumed scent to them. Then you have your diamond soap. Again, super cute. Just a really adorable like pink theme. And then you have this aromatherapy candle in there as well. You can see this looks like really nice packaging. So everything looks really, really good. I would get this and think like that's a really nice gifting package. So you have this little votive in there as well. And you can see only for you. And that has kind of a slightly rose scent to it, like a sweet rosy scent. So that's really cute as well. And then, of course, you have what takes up a lot of it is this. And this is so, I'm going to not talk for a second, so I'll open it without crinkling too much. And this guy right there. So this is crazy soft, just like similar to these cute little socks. You can see the pink theme. So looks very nice. I'm going to actually open it so you can see exactly sizing and everything like that. So this is tied really, really nice with a ribbon, ready to go, and just a very kind of nice mauvey pink. See the size of it, like that. And this also smells a little bit like those bath bombs from being in there, so it has a nice, really pleasant scent to it. But you can see I'm about 5'4", and I would say if this is at my feet, comes to about here. So kind of just enough to cover your legs or kind of cuddle up with on a couch. But if you can see that like texture is really, really, really soft. So this is just kind of like a cozy, nice bundle. You have your socks, you have this, it's gonna keep you warm. Overall, first impressions, this is just kind of a fun, sweet gift box to give to somebody. And I'll show you that little guy that was in here as well. So you can see that is in there as well. The little kind of like washcloth that is tied up like a little bear, and then you can undo it, and then you have a cute little washcloth. You can see that. Very, very adorable packaging. And now you have a super, super soft, like for your face, to take off makeup, or to use that soaps and stuff too. So everything in here feels really soft, very cute shades of pink. And overall, I think this, if you have somebody who like loves pink and you're just thinking of, or they need some encouragement, this is a very, very cute birthday, Mother's Day, or anyone who loves pink gift box. Really very, very cute.